Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Ace 5 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Now we have to scroll and find eye comfort and sleep. And first of all, let's ignore the sleep health and focus on the eye protection. We can turn this option on just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. So we've got two different modes to choose from. We've got the smart one, which is automatic option, and it will simply adjust the screen color to the light conditions around you. And the custom option, which we can set manually. So here we've got the switcher, thanks to which we can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. We can also schedule that feature, so let's tap on the scheduled option and we can freely turn it on, choose the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply the mode accordingly. So it's up to you. And the display effects, which means that you can either display the color or black and white. In the color, everything will have their normal color, let's say just like those switchers, but they will be affected by the mode. Or we can display everything in the black and white in a monochromatic way. So it's totally up to you. Here you've got the preview. You can also check how it will look like. It's really interesting, to be honest. So let me change it to colors. And basically this is the whole customization. If you want to, you can have much faster access to this option. Simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully. And here we've got the eye comfort. So let's tap on it. It will be turned on and off depending what you will do with that icon. So basically tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.